ओम शांति। अव्यक्ति परिवार में आपका स्वागत है। आज है दिन 25 अव्यक्ति वरदान।
Om Shanti, you are all welcome to Avyakti Parivar, and today is day 25 and we'll listen to Mohini Didi now.
ओम शांति।
Om Shanti.
बाप से आशीर्वाद मिलता है
We receive blessings from the Father
और गुरु से हमको वरदान
and
मिलते हैं।
from the Satguru.
तो वरदान के लिए हमेशा
We also receive blessings, but
सामान्य रहना चाहिए।
to make the blessings your own, you have to say Haji.
अभी तो है
You should
नहीं,
not doubt on the blessings like, oh, this is not right now, it's not like that. If Baba is giving me some blessings, so
तैयारी करनी है ना उसके लिए।
that should be mine. We should prepare
तो
ourselves
जब
for
सतगुरु
that.
का वरदान है
So when we have this blessing from
तो बाबा
Satguru,
पूछते हैं तो बोलो
then
हाँ जी।
Baba asks us for something, then we should say Haji.
ये तो आपको पता ही है कि जितनी बार हम हाँ जी कहते हैं
You all know,
उतनी
as
बार
many
बाबा भी
times we
कहते हैं
say Haji, Baba also says yes.
हाँ जी बच्चे ने।
Haji bache, Haji child.
तो आज का वरदान है व्यक्त में रहते।
So today's blessing is staying
परिचय रूप का
in
साक्षात्कार कराने वाला।
staying in corporeal state. Become like the one who gives visions for
सफेद शस्त्रधारी सफेद लाइट धारी भव।
so blessing for today is may you become an embodiment,
शस्त्रधारी और सफेद लाइट धारी भव।
may you be the one in white clothes and white light and give a vision of the avyakt angelic form while in corporeal form. I cannot hear Sister Mohini.
सफेद
Yeah, now it's
शस्त्रधारी
so
और
may you be one in
लाइट
white
धारी भव।
clothes while a white light with a white light and
जैसे
give vision of an avyakt angelic
अव्यक्त का
form while in
साउंड फैलता
corporeal
है
form. So just as the sound is spreading
ये
in all
सफेद
directions,
वस्त्रधारी
of these people who are dressed in white
वो कहाँ
clothes
से आए हैं?
and where they have come from.
ऐसे
In the
अब
same
एक
way,
और
now grant
फरिश्ते रूप का साक्षात्कार कराओ,
now grant everyone a vision of your angelic form.
इसको कहा जाता है डबल सेवा का रूप।
This is known as double form of service.
जैसे बादल
Just as
चारों
clouds,
ओर छा जाते हैं,
just as clouds are dispersed everywhere,
और फरिश्ते रूप
in the
में
same way,
प्रकट हो जाओ।
become present everywhere in your angelic form,
वो देखें
so
तो
that
फरिश्ते ही नजर आए।
wherever they look, they only see angels
लेकिन ये
everywhere.
कब होगा?
However,
जब शरीर से डिटैच होकर
only when you become detached from your body,
वाहक शरीर से
the pra-
चक्कर लगाने के
only when you become detached from your body and practice touring around with the vehicle of your inner
यात्रा सफल
body
होगी।
will this happen. Your state of the mind will
फिर
become
आगे पंक्ति में
powerful.
सर्वगुणों
And then the
सर्वशक्तियों
slogan
के अधिकारी बनने के लिए
slogan was today, in order to claim a right to all
आज्ञाकारी
virtues
बनो।
and all powers, become obedient.
व्यक्त में होते हुए अव्यक्त।
While in corporeal form, just give the vision of your angelic form,
चलते भी
avyakt
हैं,
angelic
बोलते भी
form.
हैं,
Even if you are doing anything, sitting,
लेकिन अपने
but
जो बाबा कह रहे हैं कि
like
लाइट
Baba is saying today,
लाइट का जो स्वरूप है
your inner
वो
body
इमर्ज हो
of
जाए।
light, it should remain
तब
in
आप
immersed
देखेंगे कि
form.
मनसा सेवा
So
होती है
now when you see that when you serve through your mind,
तो कोई परिस्थिति है
so what
या
happens if
ऐसा
there is any
अनुभव बाबा करते
situation,
हैं
or if you're just sitting like that, you
किसी आत्मा
feel
के प्रति
for the other
बाबा से
soul
लाइट माइट लेके दे रही
like you
हैं,
are receiving light and might
तो
from
वो
Baba
आत्माओं को
and you
अनुभव
are
होता है।
giving it to other souls. So those soul,
आजकल बहुत से
they
ऐसे हैं
experience that. Nowadays, so
थोड़े
many
टाइम तो
just
ठीक रहते
share
हैं, फिर
this.
स्वप्न में
So what they've shared that they have
हमारे
some
साथ
dreams,
बातचीत हुई,
and during the dreams they saw that they
लेकिन
were
जिस
talking to
समय जब
you.
आबू में आए थे
But initially, when we
तो
in the
वहाँ पे
beginning
बहुत
when
कम
we came to Abu,
जनसंख्या थी,
so at
पॉपुलेशन
that
बहुत
time the
कम थी,
population was very low in Mount Abu
और ये लोग
in the
बड़ी
beginning,
संख्या में थे ब्रह्मा कुमारी
and
में।
Brahma Kumaris were in large number.
आप सोचो 250-300
So think about it, like
सब
they were
गाड़ी
like
लेके सब
250 or
लेके
300, and they used to just wander around in around everywhere around the
और उस
lake,
समय
or
क्योंकि बहुत बिजनेस
so
कम था,
everybody used to feel, who are these people in
टूरिज्म
white clothes? So at that time there were
ज्यादा ये
not
लोग
a lot
आते
of
थे,
tourists, not a lot of crowd in the Mount
तो
Abu.
ये लोग ही सब दिखाई
So
देते थे।
only white
उसके बाद
clothed
सब
people.
कहते थे ये आबू में
So
ही रहते हैं,
everyone used to feel, who are these people
पहाड़ी पर घूमने को
everywhere?
जाते थे, नकी
If
लेक
they
वगैरह
are
जाते थे,
walking
सब
anywhere
जाते थे तो
around
बाबा
the
कह रहे हैं
lake, Naki
ये
Lake,
कौन है,
so everyone used to
कैसे
feel,
हैं।
who are they in white clothes?
तो बाबा
Everywhere in the
कहते हैं
Abu.
कि इसी तरह से
So that's how Baba is telling us
फरिश्ता
today,
रूप है,
like your angelic
तो
form.
मनसा इसमें बहुत ज्यादा
Everywhere they should
उपस्थित
see you
रहती है।
like that. So for that, your mind should be really powerful for this.
आप 2 मिनट के लिए जरा
Like think
इस दृश्य
about,
को इमर्ज करिए
just immerse this scene in front of you for two
कि
minutes.
ऊपर देखते हैं कहीं
Like
भी
if
देखते हैं
somebody is looking up above anywhere,
फरिश्ता रूप दिखाई देता
so
है।
they should see that angelic form everywhere.
सबसे बड़ी फरिश्ते की विशेषता होती है
So the very big
कि वो
speciality
हमेशा
of the
जहां
angel
भी जरूरत
is,
पहुंच जाता है,
like anytime, wherever the angel is needed, they
और
are
जो
there.
करना है वो कर लेते
And
हैं।
whatever they have to do, they do it.
तो कई बार ऐसा होता
So
है
sometimes this happens that
कुछ आवश्यकता है,
if you
जरूरत
need
लाओ,
something or there is something important to be taken
और
care,
कुछ भाई बहन अचानक आ
or
जाते हैं,
some brother, they just appear from
वो
nowhere,
सेवा है,
and ask, oh, is there any service needed? So every time I used to feel, think I am invoking them or I was creating that thought for them, and these angels, they just appear for the service. So sometimes it's fine, it's very subtle, but sometimes in the physical form also you feel that, and at that time your mind thinks, oh, this is an angel. I have lot of such experiences. Sometimes I'm just standing there and I look everywhere and I feel, oh, if somebody is here to help. So somewhere somebody just appears. Oh, Moini Didi, do you need any help? Can I give you hand? So every time I feel, oh, that's what I was thinking. So my mind always feel that around us, all of us, we are like angels to each other. We are like angels to each other. Like if we are visible in the sky, like a lot of us, angels in the sky, that will happen sometime. But right now, for each other, each one of us, like we are related through our mind to each other. If I'm remembering Baba and some soul get touched with that, they are just passing by, or they will just come and help and give cooperation. So you all in your life must have experienced this. Like when you need someone, then some from somewhere, any Baba's child will just appear. Even in law kick, somebody will just come to help you. And whatever help you need at that time, they will come and just help you, give cooperation to you. But here, one is like helping physically, and the second is if you have some conflict inside your mind, if you have some problem inside your mind, some heaviness, so what will happen, you will receive a phone call from someone or somebody will just come to you. So whatever energy you have that time, your stage of mind, like that becomes so light after talking to someone. If you are feeling heavy, so that you might all have experienced this, that when your mind is so heavy, so some angel will just appear or you will receive a phone call from someone. You just talk to them and your mind is so relaxed and light. So that is also like a duty of an angel. And sometimes you just meet somebody and you feel that opportunity is there, that I can give Baba's knowledge here, Baba's introduction here. So you feel that as an opportunity. I remember once I was going to Canada. So weather was not that good at that time. So we had to stay at the airport for the whole day because two, three sisters were there. One was from Pakistan, one was from India, and they didn't know English that much at that time. So they are all around me. So can you please? They were asking me, "Oh, what's going on? What's happening?" So because they couldn't understand the announcements, and same way, and doing this, we all got on plane, and then we reached to the destination and we were going to Toronto, but our stop was at Montreal and they said we'll go to Toronto tomorrow. So that sister was saying on that day, oh, I have heard of angels but I have never experienced them, but today you came as an angel for us. So she didn't know me at all, but still I got this experience that they felt me as an angel in their life. So this was the experience that Baba makes us feel that, oh, sometimes like you cooperate someone in the time when they need it, so they see you as an angel. So this is Baba's blessing for us
तो मुझे
today.
ऐसा लगता है
So
कि
what I feel is, Moini Didi is saying what she feels, that in this world,
परमात्मा को पुकार रहे हैं
as people are calling out for God, so how Baba will respond to
हम उनके
those
द्वारा ही है ना
calls?
रिस्पॉन्स
So he will respond through us.
किसी को कोई आवश्यकता है
So if somebody needs something and
वो
they are
अपने आप
calling
आगे
out
बढ़
for
जाए
God, they need
तुरंत
some
आगे बढ़ जाए
some enthusiasm, some power, some
तुरंत बाबा
courage.
पहुंचा देता है
So Baba
और उसकी
makes
सेवा हो
us
जाती है
do that, like we become instrument for them and we serve
ये
them.
लक्ष्य रख के
So
अपने आप
inside,
को
just
बाबा
keep
तक
this aim and also the practice what Baba
शरीर से
says.
ज्ञानीपन प्राप्त जाए
So become detached from this body.
बहुत सहज ही है
It is very easy
करने से एक
actually,
बार भूल भी जाता है
but sometimes we just forget about it
तो अगर थोड़ा
also.
अटेंशन
So
देंगे
if we pay a little bit more
किसी
attention
काम
on
में
it,
लगे दें 2 मिनट 5
anytime
मिनट
if we get the chance of even 5 minutes,
इससे
2 minutes
निकलना
during the day, just detach from
अच्छा
this
लगता
body.
है
You will feel good about
मुझे
it.
तो बहुत ही आनंद आता है
I love doing that. I
लेकिन
feel
कुछ
so much
लोग
happiness in that. And that is also a way to
लेकिन याद
serve.
रखिए कि जो भी
Always
आप कर रहे
remember
हैं
that whatever effort I am doing
उससे
right
सेवा
now,
जरूर होगी
I am serving
अगर
someone.
आप ये ध्यान रखते
My
हैं
efforts
तो
are
और भी
serving
जल्दी
someone.
प्रयास होते
So
हैं
if you have this attention, then
हम्म,
you can do more
कोई भी
efforts.
स्थिति का आप अनुभव
Anything,
करो
anything, any stage you experience of yourself,
आप बाबा की याद में बहुत
like if
प्रेमी
you
भाव
are
से
in,
बैठे
you're
हैं
sitting in Baba's remembrance with so much love.
तो उसकी जो वाइब्रेशंस हैं
So the vibrations at that time,
वो
what you are
जब रिलीज होती
radiating
हैं
to other
मेरी भी
souls,
बुद्धि जो है वो बाबा तक
so
आ जाएगी
they will also feel like connected to
कभी
Baba.
अनुभव करके देखिए
So try to experience
तो
this.
इसी को कहेंगे
So
कि
this
हमें
is
ये
what
वरदान प्राप्त है
we say, that we have this
कि हम
blessing,
किसी भी तरह से
that
सेवाधारी पद का
we are
प्रयोग
serving
शक्ति देने
every
में
time.
निमित्त बन जाते
We
हैं
are instruments to give power and
इसी को
love to
कहते हैं
everybody.
कोऑपरेशन
This is called giving
तो
cooperation.
वरदान पर थोड़ा मनन चिंतन करो
So churn on this
बहुत
blessing
सा
more,
समय है हमारे
and
पास
the main thing is to
मैं
practice.
जिस शरीर से
We
न्यास
have little bit time, so just practice of becoming detached from this
कैसे
body.
लाइट स्वरूप में रहूं
I am the form of
इसका
light.
अभ्यास हम सब अभी करेंगे
So just practice this
ओम
now.
शांति
Om Shanti. So we